While I'm here in southern Florida, I took the opportunity to visit a college buddy of mine, and her and her family go to Japan for months at a time for her husband's job. And while there, she's always posting pictures of the great food that they have. But one of the things that intrigues me is the fascination with KitKats, and not just fascination, but the many flavors of KitKats they have. I mean, for us, we have KitKats, milk chocolate, wafers. Sometimes you get the white chocolate with the wafers, but it's always the same. It's not, not much different. Well, let me show you what she gave me. They're headed back over there, so she raided her supply, and I'm sure she'll restock as soon as she gets there. But this is what she gave me. Now, I can't read Japanese. This one is wasabi, because that's obvious what it says. This one looks like it might be something like cantaloupe and cream. This whole line with the pictures looks like almonds, and I can't decide if that's cherries or some sort of other fruit. So I'm going to try some of those. These, I think she said, were green tea. These ones have almonds and whatever that fruit is, but add raspberries into it. This one, I don't know what this is, because it's pink, and I can't decide if it's a star fruit maybe. This one, I have no clue, no pictures. But these two are, she pointed that out, these are really hard to find. They're sake flavored. So I'm going to be trying these. I got to admit, I did try some of the wasabi ones. We always have this idea that wasabi is like super hot, going to burn your mouth right out. They did not. I mean, it's a very mild flavor. So, but just get an idea is if you know anybody going to Japan, try to get them to bring you back some interesting KitKats. So I think I'm going to try a couple of these, because I got more of those than anything else. Okay, here's one of the wasabi ones, and get an idea. Let me get it open. That's what they look like. To me, they got a white wafer in there. It tastes a lot like the like white chocolate to me. I don't get any heat or spiciness out of it, so maybe our idea of what wasabi tastes like or is totally different. Now this is the one that's got those almonds and a little fruit of some sort. I mean, to me they look like cherries, which is quite possible. So obviously there's crushed almonds on the top. It's a darker chocolate. Yeah, definitely a more bitter, darker chocolate. If there's a fruit involved, it's a little too subtle for me. So, but I'm going to try a couple more.